The word bonjour is a French greeting commonly used to say hello or good day. It is pronounced as bonjour. Here's a simple explanation of its meaning and usage. Bonjour is a polite and friendly way to greet someone in French. It is used to say hello or good day, typically during the morning and afternoon hours. The word is derived from the combination of two French words, bon, meaning good, and jour, meaning day. When you say bonjour to someone, you are essentially wishing them a good day or acknowledging their presence in a pleasant manner. This greeting is commonly used in France and other French-speaking countries as a way to initiate conversations, show respect, and create a positive atmosphere. It is suitable for both formal and informal situations. Remember that in French, pronunciation plays a crucial role, so make sure to pronounce it as bonjour to sound authentic. Thanks for watching. This is Professor Christopher. Like, share and subscribe.